Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a small haul from the Dollar Tree. So I just picked up some more of this Almond Hammer Fresh Sensations Inspired by Nature Carpet Odor Eliminator. I picked up this Jot Clear Glue just to try that out. Some more real fastener dots since I used them up in my mini album. And index cards, again, I've shown you these. You can remove these and put them back in, and these are perforated so you can take them out and use them as needed. This was like a belly band, and it says Dreams for Days. Some magnetic clips to go into the side of my little carts, the Michael's version of the Russ card carts. I only found this one. I was trying to find the other collection of these stamps, but it says hello, thank you, just a note, and awesome. I was trying to find the donut ones. I think I might have it, but I can't remember. I got this one book from my grandson, The Old House. Just a little story. Bedtime. The little planner stickers, 265 pieces. They did have another one, but I only got one. And so it has, like I said, 265 pages, 65 stickers. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages of stickers. So I'll flip real quick. You guys probably have seen this. And sorry about the lighting. It's early in the morning. So you got some of your tropical themed. Got you some gold ones. Pineapples and various color days of the week, activities. So just nice little embellishments for your planner, calendar, whatever you got going on. And then these stickers right here, which I thought were kind of cute. They're Jot, of course. But that says hello, smile, thank you, happy, wow, hi, and what's up. So that's the black and gold. Love those colors. And of course, had to get the Parisian one. It's explore the world, travel. Got your bicycle, you got your Eiffel Tower, lamp, suitcase, and a top hat, and an airplane. I got a rainbow, friends, love, call me, sweet, hello. Hello, you are sunshine, you are my sunshine. I get called out a lot because my name is Dawn. Smile, all you need. Hello, beautiful. Love. XOXO. Love those color combos on that one. And then this one says awesome, happy, rock and joy. Call me, okay. And the last one has some wellies on it. The journey begins. Good times at Camera, Paris. I love New York. Love your journey. Another travel theme one. So these are really cute. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I found in that collection. And they had a ton of other type of stickers, but these are the ones that I picked up this week. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And hello to all my new subbies. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.